to make the Christmas cookie cake. So I'm going to start with my ice and water. And I'm going to do about 20 ounces of ice and water mixed. I'm doing 2 scoops of our cookies and cream. Two scoops of our vanilla PDM. I'm adding some little red and green chocolates, some almond extract, and some birthday cake pudding mix. And blend it. In the bottom of my cup, I'm putting some Christmas sprinkles. Then I'm going to pour the shake, and some of those sprinkles should come up. Top it with some whipped cream. And some more sprinkles. And that's it. That's how you make the Christmas cookie shake. Thanks for watching.